Hello and welcome to this rapid reprice example. This example will demonstrate a refund resulting in an additional collection and a change fee, and also resulting in a refundable amount. The journey was going Heathrow to Cape Town on the 2nd of November and returning on the 5th of November. This did not involve a weekend stay. The journey was booked in D class. The journey has now been changed to return on the 10th of November and return in economy. We've checked that the status is open and that the airline is a participant in Rapid Reprice. We select Rapid Reprice from the drop-down menu in the tools. We're selecting to price as Best Buy in the same cabin. We select the change fee method as an EMD. We click on Continue. There is a refund due of £3,476. The total change fee is £200. We need to rebook segments 1 in I class and 2 in N. Let's look at the detail. The detail reveals all the old versus the new details. Clicking into the tax breakdown, we can see there's a refundable tax amount of £60. However, there are some new taxes to be also collected. We click on Close to return to our screen. The total additional collection due here is £1.26. That's why there's the net refund due. Once we're happy with the results, we click on Close, we add a received from value, and we click on Continue. The prompt or warning, the exchange will result in an additional collection and a refundable balance. Please process the refundable balance separately by contacting the airline or using BSP for Fee EMD or ACMs. We've read this warning and we click Continue. We're invited to rebook the segments and store the fare. We choose the Issue Now option as we do wish to issue this ticket immediately. The additional screen for £1.26 is displayed. Once more here you can select different forms of payment if that's the requirement. If you're happy with the additional amount and how it was calculated, we then select Continue. But this is a good area for checking all your paid taxes, and all this detail is going to go on the new ticket. We click Continue. Right now, the ticketing modifiers of the file fare have been updated. Now we deal with the refund. This exchange will result in a refundable balance of £3,478. If the carrier is not EMD ready, please process the refundable balance separately by contacting the airline or using BSP link for your Fee EMD. We have checked that the carrier is EMD ready. We click OK. The ticket has been issued successfully. In order to proceed to the next step, we need to click OK. A service sector is being created. We now need to add the code. Looking up the code opens up the EMD Ask Answer ID. We've selected British Airways and we now see that the change fee reason for issuance code is 992. Therefore 992 is what we enter in this box. We click the arrow down and we select 992. All the other information is pre-populated. We know that the EMD type is a ticket amendment fee for this change. We then click on OK. We now see the Rapid Reprice EMD penalty amount fee of £200. The area to the left is editable. We can see the penalty amount, and the area to the left displays the related ticket number. If your market requires tax codes, we can enter in here. You can also change the commission to amount or percentages. There are other modifiers that may be added. The area to the right is options as to how we can pay for this. You can select check or cash. If you had originally used a credit card, you could use the same credit card and this area would not be grayed out. You can also click on Other and select other methods to pay for this EMD. We're going to leave this as cash and we're going to click on OK. Before we look on OK, I want to draw your attention to the host command EMD-I, and it's going to issue the EMD. We click on OK and the EMD has been issued. Click on OK once more and we get the option to delete the service sector. A service sector was automatically generated for the ticket amendment fee. We can leave this in the PNR or we can delete it. Clicking delete will bring up a response to ensure you want to delete, or click on exit will exit the rapid reprice process. If we display our record, our P&R is displayed to the left-hand side with our service sector. We can click on our EMD and we'll see that our EMD was issued. If we can also click on the DI information, the DI indicates that a change fee of £200 occurred and a refund amount of £3,478, and this will need to be carried out separately. The reason for this is that when you have a refundable amount but you have any additional collection in the form of taxes, the system does not generate an EMD for the refundable amount. This will have to be processed separately outside the rapid reprice process. The EMD has been issued, but if at any time you wish to void it or refund it, you can do so by doing EMD D1. Then you can choose the relevant option. That concludes this example, which demonstrated a refundable amount, an additional collection in the form of tax, and a change fee. You now see how Rapid Reprice processes this ticket. It issues the EMD for the change fee. It also issues the ticket, but it does not issue the refundable amount. This has to be done in a separate process. Thank you and goodbye.